Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to fix the sound not working in Microsoft Teams. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register if you already haven't done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the left side of the screen, we have the, of course, activity, community, chat. We have the calendar, and in the bottom left, we have the invite to teams and the search bar, which is located in the top side of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix the sound not working in Microsoft Teams. So ensure that both Microsoft Teams and your operating system are up to date. Sometimes updates can fix compatibility issues. Make sure your speakers are promptly connected and set as default audio device. You can check this in your device sound settings. During a meeting, check if your microphone is muted. If it is, click the microphone icon in the to unmute yourself. Ensure that the volume for Teams is turned up and not muted. You can adjust this in the Teams settings under devices. Sometimes simply you can go restart the Teams app. It can resolve the issue. If you're using external speakers or headphones, make sure they are properly connected and not muted. Use the test audio feature in Teams to check if your speakers and microphone are working correctly. Ensure that your audio drivers are up to date. You can do this through your device manager or by visiting the manufacturer's website. If all else fails, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the Microsoft Teams application. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And guys, of course, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.